This tastes good. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Let's make some authentic Jamaican breakfast. We're making ackee and saltfish, fried breadfruit with fried plantain. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, just click that button right below the screen and you're good to go. We're going to start by thinly slicing our plantain. This is how you get a even cook without it being burnt, because as you turn your back on plantain, my friends, you're not even have to turn your back, as you'll blink, plantain burn. So you thinly slice them, you add them to hot oil, and once it's golden brown on both sides, then you remove them from the pan. For a great crunch from your breadfruit, this breadfruit was already roasted, you're slicing them thin as well. Once it's golden brown, you just flip it over. I cannot tell you, oh, cook the breadfruit for 1 minute. Sometimes it takes 2 minutes, sometimes it takes 3. It all depends on how you slice them, but the thinner you slice your breadfruit is the easier it cooks. Now we're going to move on to the ackee and saltfish. So you add your chopped vegetables to the same oil that you fried your breadfruit and your plantain in, and you're going to saute them for about 1 to 2 minutes. Next, we're going to add our cooked saltfish. And how you cook your saltfish is that to boiling water, you're going to add your saltfish in a pan, and you're going to boil that for about 30 to 40 minutes. And how you get rid of most of the salt, you add a tablespoon of vinegar. I just learned that and it works. But in this video, how we got rid of the salt from here was that we cook it for about 40 minutes and then we put it in water for another 20 minutes, and that reduce most if not all of the salt. But an easier way, just add some vinegar. Yes, can't say me never teach you nothing. And we're adding cooked ackee. This ackee is not from the can. So how you cook your ackee at home is you buy your ackee at the market, and you're gonna add the ackee to boiling water. You don't add ackee to cold water. You add it to boiling water and you cook that for about 10 to 15 minutes, constantly testing it, constantly sticking the fork in it. Once the fork goes through smoothly, you know that it is tender enough to stop the boiling. Next, you turn off the stove and you strain it and you let that sit until you're ready to add it to your saltfish. Then you add a little black pepper to your ackee and saltfish, mix it together, let it saute for about 2 minutes, and that is it. Look at this beautiful dish. Listen to my reaction. Put breadfruit on it, plantain, everything up on it. First me head tap on your fish roll. Nice them. Okay, good. Breadfruit nice.